Hey, my name is Troy. Welcome to Facility D20. In this video, we're going to be unboxing Anycubic Wash and Cure 2.0. I picked this thing up on eBay for about 130 Canadian shipped, and I figured it's the perfect accessory to have for the Anycubic Photon to make that washing and curing process that much easier. So I'm going to unbox this thing here and see how well it's packed and take you guys in, show you the components, and get a closer look. So this is the second version of the Wash and Cure. There was a previous version for this, but this one came in not too long ago. Got a nice big piece of foam. Things are always really well packaged. Anycubic Photon is also really well packaged. Out here. Okay. Cover, base here, and a box of components. There we go. Our phone, user manual, really well packaged. We've got the container, resealable, it's real nice. More packaging. Here we got the reflective cover for the UV light. Reflect it back up. Make sure you get that uniform curing action. More foam. The basket. More foam. And then the magnetic prop. So in here we have some sort of bracket. Tray to spin, and some Allen keys and a warranty card and stuff. And this must be the power supply. This is interesting. Never seen that before. Okay, so I'm going to take you guys in, put this together, and see what it looks like. Okay, so the reflective surface, of course, that would go on there. Take it off when you're not using it. Got a basket here. Looks like it slides down. There's this thing. Power supplies on the back here. This would go on here. We have the Anycubic Photon build plate that would just fit down there, just like that. Of course, the UV protective case. Plastic got that. Reflective surface. Here, like so, and then you got the UV protective case, and that's the curing station. And what we're going to use in this is some simple green. Set our parts down. Secure the lid. Place the cover on. Select wash. Set it to, let's go for 8 minutes. Hit start. You can hear the fan spinning up and creating that whirlpool effect to clean the prints. So this fan will spin clockwise and then stop and go counterclockwise. So we're going to let this wash up and then we'll come back to the curing process. Now that the wash cycle's over, we're going to get it out of there and get it under the UV light. Next up, we're going to put the Lazy Susan in place. The exposure setting test print on the bed. You got to put the top back down or the unit won't turn on. Switch over to Cure, and I think we're going to do 5 minutes. Start. We're going to come back when this is done and take a quick look at them. Okay, see what we got. Yep, definitely nicely cured. You feel a big difference in the feel of these parts. Awesome. This machine is really simple to use. It works really well. It's nice and clean and efficient. It's pretty much worth every penny. Awesome.